Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to ask ChatGPT to roast your Instagram account. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, take a screenshot of your Instagram profile. After that, open ChatGPT on your mobile device and log into your account. Tap on the menu icon to open the sidebar, and from there, select Explore GPTs. A new screen will pop up, so type Insta Guru into the search box and select it from the suggestions. Once you're on the Insta Guru screen, tap Start Chat at the bottom. Now, you'll see a text input field. Tap the plus icon on the left side of the field, and a list of options will appear. Choose Upload Image and select the screenshot of your Instagram profile from your gallery. Once the screenshot is uploaded, you can add a message explaining what you need or just send it without any text. ChatGPT will then analyze your Instagram profile and roast your content based on trends, aesthetics, and engagement. And that's it. You now know how to get ChatGPT to roast your Instagram account. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.